What's up, guys? All good? My name is Nora. Welcome back to my channel. If you're thinking about buying PLETHORA WAVE, stop right there and watch this video first. Trust me, I've got important warnings and valuable insights to share with you that could save your time and money. First things first, be extremely careful where you buy PLETHORA WAVE. This product is only sold on the official website, so don't get caught by counterfeit products out there. To help you out, I've linked the official site below in the description and pinned it in the first comment. Now, let's dive in. I tried PLETHORA WAVE, a product that's been creating a buzz as a personal growth and mental clarity booster. With bold claims like insane conversions and heightened creativity, I had to see for myself if this was all hype or if it actually worked. Here's my full experience after a few weeks of use. Ease of use. Right off the bat, getting started with PLETHORA WAVE was super simple. No fuss, no complicated setup. As soon as I purchased, boom! Instant access to all audio tracks and resources. The instructions were crystal clear, breaking down the best times and ways to use each track for optimal results. All it took was plugging in my headphones, and I was immersed in these binaural beats and soothing soundscapes. The audio experience. Let me tell you, the audio quality is top-notch. These soundscapes aren't just slapped together, they're professionally crafted with layers that really draw you in. From the first listen, I noticed a shift in my mental state. My mind felt calmer, and my focus sharpened. Tracks designed specifically for stress relief worked wonders after a long, exhausting day, easing me into relaxation. While some tracks weren't exactly my vibe, the variety meant I could pick and choose based on my needs at the moment. Boost in focus and productivity. Now, let's talk productivity. This is where PLETHORA WAVE really shined for me. I noticed a marked improvement in my ability to concentrate during peak work hours. It was like getting a gentle mental nudge that kept me on track, even with challenging tasks. The effect was most noticeable when I stuck to a routine, using the focused tracks at the same time every day. It felt like I was training my brain to enter a flow state on command. Improved sleep and stress reduction. And if you're wondering about sleep, oh, this was a game changer. I started using the sleep-focused tracks at night, and within a few days, I was falling asleep faster and sleeping more soundly. It's like it melted away the chatter in my head, letting me truly rest. If stress or racing thoughts keep you up, this is a feature you'll love. Pros and cons. So, what's my verdict on PLETHORA WAVE? Overall, it's an impressive tool for anyone looking to boost their mental clarity, reduce stress, and improve sleep and focus. Sure, some tracks work better for me than others, so you'll need to experiment a bit to find your perfect fit. But that's a small trade-off for the benefits it can bring. Remember, if you decide to check it out, make sure you're getting it from the official site, link is below. If you've tried PLETHORA WAVE or have questions, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.